Class 8. So class 8, in our previous classes we discussed about the ER ending verbs and the IR ending verbs. So we discussed about the aller verb, we discussed about the être and avoir verb. So as we have discussed ER endings, aller verb and plus être and avoir verbs. D'accord? Okay. So now we are going to start. These are the first group. This is exceptions. And these are again exceptions. But you have to, as I told you in our previous classes, you have to learn these verbs. So now we are going to start our new topic, that is IR ending verbs. So 8th class IR ending verbs. In IR ending verbs there are many irregular verbs. Irregular verbs means you have to learn the full conjugation. There is no formula to make these verbs. So but yes, there are very few regular verbs, IR ending regular verbs. So I'm going to give you one example. As we do in ER ending verbs, what is the formula for ER ending? For ER ending, the formula is E with je, tu, il / l, nu, vu, il, l. So the formula is the ending. What we do, we remove the ending from ER and we use E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. D'accord? And for IR ending regular verbs, what we do? There are one formula for the same. These are the subject. And what we do? We put IS, IT, ONS, EZ, ENT. D'accord? So it means what we need to do whenever we will see, for example, finir. Finir is to finish. Okay? And the ending is, we need to check the ending. Ending is IR. This verb is ending with IR. Okay, so what we will do, we will conjugate this verb with like this. We will remove this IR and we will use this IS. And with tu again, fini, finish, fini, tu fini, il, el, finit, finit, t. Nu fino, FINIS. We do SS, we use SSONS, SSEZ. Most of the time it comes along with, but we do SST, SSONS, SSEZ, SSENT. So it's SST, SSONS, nu, vu, SS, EZ, and ILS, L, S, S, E, N, T. So this is the formula. Sorry, I forgot to put SS here. So it's IS, IT, SSONS, SSEZ, SSENT. And the shortcut is you can remember with the simple formula, that is SST, SSONS, SSEZ, SSENT. But as I am telling you that there are many irregular verbs. So in irregular, IR ending irregular, you have to learn it. But if you get some regular verbs which are very few, you can conjugate like this. in our course in class 8th, we have most of the time we have all the regular verbs. We will not do irregular verbs. There are most of the time we will do regular verbs. If we will do irregular verbs, I will give you the full conjugation, and what you need to do, you just need to remember it, and you just need to learn it along with the spellings. So no worries about that. So now what you need to do, you just need to, I'm giving you one homework here. So your homework is, you need to make some conjugation with this formula, with SST, SSONS, SSEZ, SSENT. The first one is rougir, RUGIR. Rougir is to get red, to get angry. Okay. And the second one is remplir. Remplir is to fill. To fill. FILL. To fill. And remplir is to fill. Rougir is to get red. D'accord? So I hope you got the video and you understood it. So au revoir. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt. Stay safe.